Mosquitoes love rainy and tropical climates. And as the planet gets warmer, mosquito populations could explode. It's not just itchier bites that people need to worry about. Mosquitoes can carry diseases including Zika, dengue fever, and malaria. Unfortunately, attempts at controlling mosquito populations have been unsuccessful because they are increasingly becoming resistant to insecticides. So that's where genetically modified mosquitoes come into the picture. There are different ways to genetically engineer a mosquito, but one way is by introducing something called a self-limiting gene. 2 copies of a self-limiting gene are inserted into a male mosquito. So when a male mosquito mates with a female, a piece of his DNA with the self-limiting gene will be passed on. The self-limiting gene is designed to kill female offspring in the late larval stage. So, how does it all work? The piece of DNA causes the formation of a toxic protein, TTAV. The toxic protein leads to cell death. The TTAV also attaches to the self-limiting gene and signals the creation of more TTAV, causing a positive feedback loop. This cycle continues in the larva until it dies. All females that inherit this gene will die. The male offspring, on the other hand, will inherit 1 copy of the self-limiting gene. They do not die and will continue to pass this on to their male offspring. The cycle will continue and continue. Eventually, the female population of mosquitoes will begin to decline. And remember, females are the ones that bite humans and carry diseases. Biotech companies have been experimenting with releasing these genetically modified mosquitoes into the wild. This past year, Oxitec, a company based in the UK, released mosquitoes into the Florida Keys, a place which has been experiencing a mosquito problem due to climate change. Some residents oppose releasing the genetically modified mosquitoes into the wild, citing the lack of long-term studies. Also, once these mosquitoes are released into the wild, it's permanent. It will be a couple years before all the data from the Keys are in. But already, this buzzworthy technology is being studied in other species for pest control.